Hello everyone, I'm Chef Patty and welcome back to the Mad Table where we share delicious family-friendly recipes. Today we're making chicken wings and I'm adding a Cuban twist to them by making a homemade guava glaze that we're gonna spread all over the wings. It's so good. I think you guys are gonna love this recipe, so let's get started.
All right, let's marinate the chicken. In a bowl, you're gonna add the olive oil, fresh lime juice, fresh orange juice, fresh garlic, some dried oregano leaves, a little Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, whisk really well, and now we're gonna pour that marinade all over the wings. Toss to coat so all those flavors can develop. Now let's make our sauce. We're gonna melt the guava, barbecue sauce, the apple cider vinegar, the fresh lime juice, chipotle pepper with a little bit of that sauce. Next, add some soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, water, salt and pepper, fresh garlic, fresh ginger. You want to stir, bring it to a boil, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and it's going to get nice and thick. Once it cools, what you want to do next is drizzle that all over the chicken wings. Oh my goodness. Now we're gonna pop it in the oven for about 10 minutes or so. And all that sticky guava sauce is gonna get in the wings. And that's it, guys. Chicken wings with a guava glaze. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Mad Table.